In this video, we'll show you how to install EvaCore Glue-Down products. Always begin the installation with a clean, smooth, dry floor or subfloor. Measure out an area from the wall to determine how far to glue. We recommend to measure out and glue a distance that you're comfortable with. You may want to do a test with 4 or 5 planks the first time to see how quickly you move. Once you find a comfortable distance, use a chalk line to make a mark on the floor. Evenly spread glue throughout until you've reached the chalk line. You should follow the adhesive manufacturer's instructions, but normally you want to let the glue dry to the touch, meaning it should not transfer to your skin when tested. This could take anywhere from 15 minutes to over an hour, depending on the temperature and humidity in the room. Beginning in a corner, move from left to right, leaving a 1/4 inch of space from each wall for an expansion gap. As you begin the second row, stagger the planks by 1/3 or half the length of the plank for a natural appearance. Our glue-down products don't have a locking system, so when you're connecting 2 ends, just press them together and lay down the rest of the plank. As you near a wall, you'll need to cut your final plank to fit. To do this, you'll score the top layer with your utility knife and snap it along that line, placing your new piece in the desired spot. You can use the excess as a starter plank on the next row if it is at least 1/3 of a plank away from the joint on the previous row. Continue to install your flooring until you have reached your chalk line, then repeat this process until you have covered the entire room. If your final row is too wide, score and snap it by width accordingly to ensure a tight, good-looking fit. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel or visit EvaCore.com to learn more about our flooring products.